Hello! In this video, I am very excited for it. It is my cat's Pick My Color palette. I got 15 different shades from I Love This Cotton. At first, I tried to just lay out little strands of the yarn to see if like maybe my cat would try to play with them because, you know, she'll take my yarn while I'm using it, so I just kind of was hoping it would work, but it didn't. So I ended up having to get a bunch of these little mice. They're the type of mice that have like little catnip in them, and I tied a little piece of each yarn onto one of the mice and then I laid them all out. And I wasn't expecting, because I have two cats. My cats are cat. My cats are cat. Hey. My cats are named Fate and Maru, and I was not expecting Fate to want to play with those little mice. She likes toys that move. Like if I have a toy on a stick, she'll play with it as long as I'm moving it, but if I like leave her to just play with it by herself, she'll just get bored of it. So I was not expecting at all for Fate to want to play with these mice. But while I was in the middle of trying to call Maru up onto the bed to get her to pick the mice, Fate came over and she actually played with them. So that was really cute, and it was very nice because I don't see her play with things like that often. And Maru ended up scaring Fate away too after they had already picked the colors, and we were trying so hard to get Fate back up on the bed to let her play with it more since she never does that. And then we finally got her up there and she was rolling around with the mice, and it was really cute and it made me very happy. So just that alone was worth doing this video. I think we have footage of her doing it and I'm really happy about it. I'm super stoked on it. It was really cute. But in the end, the colors that they chose were Aqua, 99 Rosy 2, and Coral. And the color palette wasn't that bad. Like when I look at all the colors together, I was like, oh, there's a lot of opportunity for a really, really bad color palette. But this one wasn't too bad. I was pleasantly surprised. Okay, so this is what I ended up making with it. The tutorial that I followed for it is Crochet Crop Top, the Lily Top by Passion Knit Kelsey. It was a pretty easy tutorial to follow. The shirt's pretty cute. I'll go ahead and put it on really quick to show it off. So yeah, that is how the top came out. I think it's pretty cute. The color palette works pretty well, I think. I'm just not super used to wearing shirts like this, so that was just my design choice that is throwing me off, not even the color palette. I just am not used to wearing this much skin showing, I guess. I wear a lot of baggy things. But yeah, I still think it's really cute. I'm going to try and get more confidence to wear it, I guess, out. But yeah, I'm super happy with how the project came out. This is definitely a color palette I would have never thought to use, and the whole like random color challenge thing is a good way to get me thinking about different color palettes, especially because I feel like I really gravitate towards like pastels a lot of the time, so I will just probably fall in a rut of just remaking a bunch of pastel projects if I don't do things to like mix it up sometimes. It was really fun seeing what color palette my cats ended up choosing, and it was fun figuring it out because like when I was like first starting with it, like I did the first cup and then did some of the blue around it, and I was like, I don't know if this is gonna look good. Like just staring at it like but like no, I think it looks pretty good. I think it turned out good. I like the colors together, and yeah, that's cool. I'm gonna definitely do this again. Look out for a part 2, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, leave a like, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe. And if you have any ideas for projects you'd like to see me do, leave a comment down below. And thank you to my boyfriend and editor Jake Wartooth, and thank you again for watching. Bye.